Ever found yourself staring at your Kraken account, fingers hovering over that withdraw button, and a single, nagging question echoing in your mind? How long is this really going to take? It's a question that plagues almost every cryptocurrency user, from the seasoned trader to the curious newcomer. We've all been there, needing to access our funds, whether for an urgent expense, to seize a new investment opportunity, or simply to feel the tangible reality of our digital gains. The world of crypto often feels like it operates at warp speed, with prices fluctuating in milliseconds and news breaking in real time. Yet, when it comes to cashing out, things can sometimes feel like they're moving at a snail's pace. This isn't just about impatience, it's about practicalities. If you're planning a significant purchase, settling a bill, or trying to rebalance your portfolio across different platforms, understanding Kraken's withdrawal timelines is absolutely critical. A delay of a few hours, or even a few days, can mean missed opportunities, unexpected stress, or even financial implications. Imagine needing to cover an emergency and finding your funds are stuck in transit. Or seeing the perfect entry point for a new altcoin, only to realize your capital won't arrive in time. That's why today, we're diving deep into the fascinating, sometimes frustrating, and often misunderstood world of Kraken withdrawals. We're going to pull back the curtain and explore everything you need to know about how long it takes to get your money out of Kraken, what factors influence those times, and crucially, how you can potentially speed up the process or at least set realistic expectations. We'll cover both fiat withdrawals, that's your traditional currencies like USD, Euro, and GBP, and cryptocurrency withdrawals, which operate on entirely different principles. We'll talk about the various methods available, their associated speeds, and the common pitfalls that can cause delays. We'll also address those nagging security holds and verification levels that can impact your ability to withdraw immediately. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to navigate Kraken's withdrawal system like a pro, minimizing stress and maximizing your control over your digital assets. So, if you've ever wondered why your crypto isn't instantly appearing in your bank account, or what that processing status really means, stick around. This is the guide you've been waiting for. Let's get started. Understanding the basics, fiat versus crypto withdrawals. First, let's establish a fundamental distinction, fiat withdrawals and cryptocurrency withdrawals. While both involve moving your assets off the Kraken platform, the underlying mechanisms and typical timelines are vastly different. Fiat withdrawals, these are withdrawals of traditional government-issued currencies like US dollars, USD, euros, euro, British pounds, GBP, Canadian dollars, CAD, Australian dollars, AUD, and so on. When you initiate a fiat withdrawal, Kraken needs to interact with the traditional banking system. This involves a network of banks, payment processors, and often, international transfers. Because of this, fiat withdrawals are generally slower and more prone to external factors. Cryptocurrency withdrawals, these involve sending digital assets, like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Solana, SOL, or any other altcoin, directly to an external blockchain address. Here, Kraken is interacting with a decentralized network, and the speed is largely dictated by the specific blockchain's characteristics and current network conditions. Generally, crypto withdrawals are much faster than fiat. Fiat withdrawal times, a deeper dive. Let's break down fiat withdrawal times by currency and method, as this is where most of the variability lies. USD withdrawals. For US clients, Kraken offers a few options. ACH, Automated Clearinghouse, transfers. This is a popular and often free method for US bank transfers. If submitted before 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, withdrawals below $1 million are typically processed the same day. However, it can take up to 0 to 2 business days for the funds to arrive in your bank account. Keep in mind, if you've recently made deposits via ACH Plaid, credit/debit card, or certain digital wallets, a temporary 72-hour withdrawal hold might be applied for security reasons. This hold applies to all crypto and fiat withdrawals, not just the deposited amount. Fedwire, wire transfer. Fedwire transfers are generally faster. Depending on the banking partner, e.g., Customers Bank, Dart Bank, Aetna Connect. These can take 0 to 1 business days. While faster, they usually come with higher fees compared to ACH. For instance, Fedwire via Customers Bank can be free, while Aetna Connect might charge $30. These are often used for larger amounts. Cubix, Customers Bank Instant Transfer for Business Pro clients. Cubix offers near-instant USD transfers. This is a premium option. Euro withdrawals. For clients in the SEPA, Single Euro Payments Area, Zone, Kraken offers. SEPA transfers. Standard SEPA transfers can take anywhere from 0 to 5 business days. Fees are typically low, around 90 cents to €1. Instant SEPA, SCT Instant Many banks within the SEPA zone support Instant SEPA, which can process transfers near instantly. While Kraken initiates these quickly, the actual arrival time can still be subject to your bank's regulatory and compliance checks, which are outside of Kraken's control. GBP withdrawals. For UK clients. FPS, Faster Payment Service. This is the UK standard for fast bank transfers and often processed near instantly. Similar to Instant SEPA, while Kraken sends it quickly, your bank's processing times can still introduce slight delays. There might be a small fee, typically around £1 and 95 pence. SHAPS, Clearinghouse Automated Payment System. This is for larger, same-day GBP transfers and typically has a higher fee, around £21. Blink, this is another near-instant, free option for UK clients. CAD withdrawals. EFT, Electronic Funds Transfer. These typically take 2 to 5 business days with a small percentage-based fee. Interac e-Transfer, this is a faster option, often 0 to 1 business days or instant, but comes with a higher fixed fee, around $10 Canadian. Wire Transfer, InterFIN for Business Pro clients, this can be 0 to 10 minutes and is free. AUD withdrawals. Bank transfer, generally 0 to 2 business days and often free. OSCO, a popular Australian payment network, offering near-instant transfers. Other currencies, JPY, CHF, etc. For other fiat currencies, SWIFT transfers are generally the primary option for international transfers. SWIFT transfers are known to be slower, typically taking 3 to 5 business days or longer, and incur higher fees. Some regions might have local bank transfer options that are faster. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.